everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the NVIDIA Geforce Instant Replay not working on your PC. If you're having issues with Instant Replay, stick around because I've got some simple steps to help you out. Let's dive right in. First, open your internet browser and type NVIDIA App Download in the search bar. Click on the top search result to make sure you're getting the official NVIDIA app. If you're still using Geforce Experience, note that it's outdated and has been replaced by this new app. Once you've downloaded the NVIDIA app, launch it. You should see a window similar to this. Now on the left-hand side, click on Settings and make sure the NVIDIA overlay is enabled. Then press Alt+Z on your keyboard to bring up the overlay and click on Instant Replay. Make sure Instant Replay is turned on. If it's already on, try toggling it off and then on again. Sometimes that fixes the issue. Step 2. Adjust Windows security settings if the problem still persists. Close out of the NVIDIA app and open the Start menu. Search for Windows Security and click on it. Next, go to Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll to the bottom to find Ransomware Protection and click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Turn off ransomware protection since it can sometimes interfere with Instant Replay. After that, check again in the NVIDIA app to see if Instant Replay is working. If you're still having issues, it's time to reinstall the NVIDIA app. Go to the Start menu, open Settings, then click on Apps and select Installed Apps. Scroll down until you find the NVIDIA app, click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. After uninstalling, head over to the official NVIDIA website, download the latest version of the app, reinstall it, and restart your computer. And that's it. Following these steps should fix your NVIDIA Geforce Instant Replay issue. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe for more quick fixes, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.